Welcome to Azalea Rolloffs LLC, your go-to destination for large dumpster rentals in Valdosta, Georgia. Let's make your waste disposal a breeze with Azalea Rolloffs. At Azalea Rolloffs LLC, we specialize in providing large dumpster rentals, catering to a variety of projects and needs. From construction sites to residential cleanouts, our roll-off dumpsters are designed to handle it all. Quality is our commitment at Azalea Rolloffs, ensuring that our dumpsters are durable, reliable, and ready for your disposal needs. We take pride in delivering top-notch service, making waste management as easy as it should be. Our friendly team is dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction, making your dumpster rental experience seamless and stress-free. Your happiness is our priority, and we're here to assist you every step of the way. Azalea Rolloffs LLC offers competitive pricing for large dumpster rentals, making waste disposal cost-effective for your projects. Let us handle the waste, so you can focus on the success of your project without breaking the bank. We make it easy for you. Prompt delivery and flexible pickup options are seamlessly integrated into our service. Our team ensures that your dumpster is delivered and picked up at your convenience. Ready to simplify your waste management with Azalea Rolloffs LLC? Contact us today at 229-563-8110 or visit our website at www.azalearolloffdumpsters.com to book your next large dumpster rental. Azalea Rolloffs LLC, where large dumpster rentals meet excellence, and your waste disposal needs are our top priority.